Hey everyone! Okay, so I just got my first beanie bag in the mail today, so let's check this out and see what we got. Alright, so, oh, that's a cute little bag for Valentine's Day. Jimmy Bean's wool beanie bag, which we'll open that in a minute. Let's see what papers we got in here. Knitty makes a Stitch in Hollywood. Okay. Oh, there's a movie coming out. Okay, the Eddie the Eagle. So it comes with a free pattern to crochet. Is this one? Let's see what the patterns are. Here we go. That's nice. So it comes out with a fully written out pattern for the crochet cup koozie or a knitted cup koozie. That's really nice. So you have the full pattern, so whether you knit or crochet, this is completely usable. And then you can even make the hats, and it comes with the, that looks like that's, they have the crochet pattern for the hats or the knitted pattern for the hat. So that's really neat. So you can make a cup koozie and a matching hat, whether you knit or crochet. And this tells about the fibers, I guess it's in the bag. And then I got a business card. Okay, let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh, okay. Dump it all out. It's a nice little bag. What is this, some wash? Okay, some wash for your cup koozie. All these are nice to have if you drop stitches or anything. Those are very nice. And let's look at this. Okay, so this is... This says Merino DK. This one is Baby Merino and Silk. It's a DK weight. Now these two, which one? I think that's that one and that's that one. Rowan Tweed and Collar Spun. So you get to work with a few different fibers, and it comes with enough to make your cup koozie. And it also says hand wound with love. By Jenny, happy crafting. That's cute. Now, real quick, I will go ahead and show my yarn box I got this month and my knit crate, because Jimmy Beans, it's really, they really don't compare, because this you get, it's more of a yarn sampler with a small pattern. I like how they print out the patterns and you have all these different options, and then, you know, I got these extra bonus patterns for the hats if I want. With the yarn box and the knit crate, you just get, you know, one thing of yarn. These are for the sock boxes. Yarn box does come with a free pattern that you can download on their website. Knit crate gives you links to go to, like, well, it doesn't even give you the links. It just shows you, you know, check out Ravelry and try these patterns. Alright, so this is really neat. I got some fun yarn to play with. I got a couple little simple patterns I can make. The soak, that's really nice, so I can try this out. This one's Fig. Fresh Picked Clean. It's Modern Care for Laundry You Love. Rinse-free, environmental friendly formula. So that's nice. And of course you got this little bag to put our stuff in. And these are always nice to have. Okay, well that's really all I have for this beanie bag. Thank you so much for watching. If you are debating between, you know, whether you want to get a beanie bag or not, they're only 10 bucks a month. So that's kind of nice. I got that little tool in there. I've got some fibers I can mess with. I got some free patterns and a nice little Notion bag. So I think it's definitely worth it, and it's a subscription I'm going to keep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Any questions or comments, please leave in the comment section below.